Let me show you how I make my signature moi moi. Everyone has their own way of making moi moi. Today I want to share my signature recipe. So let's do that. Over here I have my washed beans. I washed it yesterday night and soak it overnight so that it will be easy for my blender to blend it very well. Here I have my cooked and fried mackerel fish, pepper and onions to fry, more pepper to blend, my fish stock and etc. First of all, I'm going to fry my stew base, just little stew base. Now add any type of oil you prefer, add it in your pot. Now add your blended peppers and onions, curry powder, paprika powder, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Now I'm going to add butter, stir, and allow it to fry. Now the stew base is ready. I'm going to blend my beans. The secret of delicious and tasty moi moi is onions. You guys, blend that onions, blend it. Now add your fish stock and blend. Now let's add the stew base. Mix, 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 and taste for salt. Now I'm gonna scoop it in my moi moi pouch. And transfer in my boiling water. Now cover with foil. Allow to cook. Now let's check the moi moi. I'm gonna open one. Look at that. I'm gonna open. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm going to off the heat because this moi moi is done. It's done. You guys, see that goodness? You see that goodness? The color is popping. All done. I'm gonna off the heat and our moi moi is ready. This moi moi is butter. It's butter. Butter.